Do your drum fills feel tense, rushed, or kind of random when you try to use them in real songs? Like beat 4 comes around and you feel that tiny spike of panic and you just hope you land on beat 1 clean. You're not alone. Most drummers struggle with fills, but not because fills are hard, but because they are trying to play fills that require control and timing they have not built yet. So the fills are unpredictable. The transitions are shaky and everything feels like a gamble. So today I'm going to show you 10 rock drum fills every beginner should learn first, because these are the fills that build your foundation. First, I'm gonna play all 10 fills at normal tempo, 4 times each, one after the other. Then I'm gonna replay them all slow so you can catch every detail. And I'm also putting timestamps for every fill so you can jump straight to the ones you want and repeat them as much as you want. And by the way, if you want help putting this kind of stuff into a simple practice system, I have a free mini course called the Backbeat Code. Link is below. Let's go! Nice! Now pick 2 or 3 fills and practice them inside that 2-bar groove until they feel relaxed and you land clean on beat 1. And if you want to keep learning, watch the next lesson. I'll see you soon. Bye!